one of the important things to do when you put a new fly line on your fly reel is to get it ready to fish. It's not ready to fish right out of the package. What you want to do is you want to get that memory and you want to stretch that line so you have as little give when you set the hook on those big fish. So what I'm doing is I've got an old leader attached to my new fly line. It's an 8-weight floating weight forward fly line, and I'm simply going to stretch it. Here's what I do. I've tied the old leader to a palm tree and I go for a walk. Now, once you've got your fly line all the way on the outside of your rod, you simply put your hand over the reel to stop it from spinning or crank your drag down and stretch that line. You'd be amazed at how much stretch these fly lines have, and you want to get as much of it out of the line as humanly possible. Hold it for a 30 count. And you're good to go.
Tom and I draw straws. This time, I'm up first, and there's a school of bones coming my way.
Yeah, we on.
Oh, the fly works. The shark's coming. Get that fish in quick. Ah, he turned away. Good.
It's 12 pound on here, right?
Yep, 12 pound.
There's a shark on him.
Is there?
There's a shark in behind him.
Here, bring him in.
That's one. Fantastic.
This video is made possible by Fish USA, America's fly shop. Visit us today at fishusa.com.